Primetime news this evening, why some stakeholders believe students are quitting school. NWC maintenance workers back on the job following industrial action. And concerns about boys suffering in silence due to sexual abuse.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Anthony Love.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special good evening also to our friends on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now, coming up in business news, the IMF weighs in on Trump's tariffs.
Very interesting story there, Janella. And Spencer Darlington is here to give us a preview of what's coming up in sports. Spencer.
Thank you very much, Anthony. Well, Jamaica topped the medal table once again at the Carifta Games. Some of the athletes returned home today. We'll give you more details in Primetime Sports later.
Thanks, Spencer. And Romain is here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Janella. Now, the strong winds that we have been experiencing across the east are expected to die down as we move into Thursday. We're looking for the speed peaking at around 50 knots for both the north and south coasts.
And you like the sound of the wind, don't you?
I do.
And just before we go now to our break, it's the feedback question. And this evening we're asking,
Anthony, what more can be done to keep young boys engaged in school?
you can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.